friends, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kaye, and we're kicking off another video, guys. If this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through, and I hope that you stay. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, baby, y'all know what we do over here, baby. We're huggers. Well, we all know why we're here, honey. We is here for this infamous TEMU try-on haul. I was so excited about this order because I've never ordered from them before, such as Fashion Nova. This was a first for both Fashion Nova and TEMU. So I selected three things that I like, and I hope you like too. So I want you guys to comment, blow up the comment section and hit that thumbs up button, because it shows YouTube that I'm trying to reach more people, y'all. So now that we done got all that out the way, let's just jump into this haul. First things first, y'all know it's spring, summer. So what comes with spring, summer is flowers and colors. So we got this little number here. It's a dress. It's a dress, but let me show you a picture here before I show you how it actually looks on. This is how it looked on the picture. So to me, it gave that it was a little long, but your girl is 5'8", 5'9", 5'10" on some days, depending on what shoes I got on. And so when I put this on, it was flooding. My ankles were showing, and that's not how I want my dresses to fit. Now some can, but in this one, I wanted it to be long. So because I'm fast, I did a do-over, baby. I remixed it. I put this all baby down and made it a skirt, honey, and it looks amazing. Check it out.
One of them ones.
See? Y'all seen that? That was cute, huh? So yeah, I would definitely say this dress is a go, depending on how you want to style it. But I would say go for it, get it, because the fit is comfortable, it's soft, it flows, it gives you that mermaid feel, so it shapes you up, honey. This is definitely a go. This is definitely a go. I can't remember what size this is, but I will have the links down for you guys below, you know, per usual, and you can just click on it and see for yourself. So let's get into this next one. All right, guys, so this next one, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. I like conversation pieces, conversation starters. I tend to go for things like that. I tend to go for things that make you look like even with my short hair. When I walk in a room, you're gonna look like, whoa, that hair color, anyway, I'm getting off the subject because that's what Geminis do. But I like a conversation piece. Because like I told y'all before in several videos, if you've been watching me, they say I'm unapproachable, child. So I try to put approachable shit on so you can say something to me. So with this inspired me because I want to do a lot more traveling. I want to go see a lot of different countries and just visit and see how their culture is or whatever. Because, you know, sometimes the United States could be ghetto. I mean, I'm just saying. Somebody had to say it, and it might as well be me. So, of course, it's not really nowhere else I'd rather be right now because I haven't seen a lot yet. So, but we're working on that. So until then, we are gonna wear our, we got this been around the world and I can't find my baby. This little dress. Let me put a picture of it, of how it looks online right here, and then I'll show you what it looks like on in a second. But this little number here, it has the places. It's a map. It's on the titty part. I can see somebody saying they want to go to Lubango. and try to touch right there. Girl, I was let me stay focused. Anyway, oh, why they got Madrid and ain't nobody gonna ever see Madrid in Spain because it's inside the collar, y'all. But I like this. Now online, not gonna lie, it did look different. It gave me more of a green feel, which y'all probably saying is all we see is green. But so it gives more of a green feel. I don't know. It looks different, but I can say I am pleasantly pleased with how it actually is. It's very flow fitting. It's very, you can wear it like a, you can wear it open with a little two-piece up under it if you want to. Not like a two-piece swimsuit, but like a two-piece legging set. If you're not comfortable wearing it out, I would say throw this over it like a caftan type thing. Yes, I can really see myself doing. Girl, that just got pockets. Yes, we won. It got pockets. Oh my God. Baby, somebody barbecue is getting this dress. Oh my God. Yeah. Now y'all know, picture me walking in there with this dress on, child. You know people gonna say, first of all, why the fuck she got all of them countries on that dress? But yeah, I love this. I absolutely love that. Now, I know what you're saying. But Kay, that dress floods on you. This one gets away with it because I have a new tie-up shoe that I would wear with this, and it wouldn't even, it just flows all together. So yeah, I would definitely say get this one up.
Passenger, this a G5, no, this not a Challenger. Big one. I keep some members with me in the fridge, the coat seats, they some cannibals. Eaters. They like to geek, drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. Damn. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. Now she say she saying 3D. Wow. I go in the jungle and they got a coat, I bet I come out with a me. I bet I do this shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me. Big. Color stones in my infinity lane. And then
let's get into this next one. All right, guys, baby, we got a two-piece and a biscuit, baby. A two-piece and a biscuit. And when I seen it on the model, I was like, Lord, please let it look like this. Let it look like that when I get it. Because y'all know, some of these whatchamacallits, they give you like paper doll outfits. Like, you don't really be getting you don't really get what you see. You be looking at and you're like, well, damn, I ordered this, but this came. Yeah, whoever was packing the packages up was asleep because he picked the wrong one. I ain't want this one. But anyway, we got this little sexy number. Oh my God. It's this, I love the colors in it. It is a long, flowy skirt. It gives like a fishtail bottom with this cute, very cute crop top to go with it. I absolutely love it. Y'all know I'm an off the shoulder girl, baby. I'm a shoulder lean. Baby, I'm a shoulder lean your ass to death. You gonna get one shoulder, you gonna get both. You know how that's your girl. So this was a no-brainer. It goes off the shoulder. I will say that I was nervous ordering this online, so I sized up. And I wish I would have got my regular size, but it's okay. It's perfectly fine because you can gather this up, and if I have to, because I love this so much, if I have to get it altered, I will. I really, really love this. I think I'm probably gonna wear this to an event that I have coming up. Yes, I love this, y'all. Let me show you guys what it looks like on.
every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them the lights down right now.
So you see, guys, you see why I like it so much? Like I said, I really wish I could have sized. I would have got the right size. So I would suggest to you to please get your right size. Get the right size, or go like a size up at the most, if you just for comfort. It feels really good on the skin as well. I'm very, very happy with all my purchases from TEMU. Especially, I love them all. I love them all. I can't pick either one. I love them all because I love them all for different reasons. Especially the dress that I was able to transition over to a skirt Oh my God, so it gave a high-waisted feel too, so it hides those old problem areas some of us may have. Child, get them pieces, y'all. And if y'all get them pieces, take a picture, tag me in on Instagram. I'm an Instagram handle below. And guys, if you stuck around to this part of the video, you are the real MVP. I appreciate you. I love you, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.